Are you dreading the possibility of missing your favorite out-of-market NFL team dominate this season? Don't sweat it, because in this video, we'll walk you through renewing your NFL Sunday ticket so you don't miss a single game. First, head over to the DirecTV website, that's direct.com. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. If you forgot either of those, just follow the prompts to recover them. It's pretty straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for a section that specifically mentions NFL Sunday Ticket. It might be under Manage My Services or a similar heading. Click on that to see your current subscription status. Here's where you'll see your renewal options. You'll likely have a few choices: the standard NFL Sunday Ticket, NFL Sunday Ticket Max, or even options bundled with other DirecTV services or streaming services like Max. Carefully compare the features and prices of each package to choose the one that best fits your needs. Max often offers extra features like Red Zone or fantasy football integration, so consider if those extras are worth it for you. Once you've picked your preferred package, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the renewal process. This will usually involve confirming your billing information and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Make sure everything is correct before submitting. Double-check that credit card number and expiration date. And that's it. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after your renewal is processed. Now you can relax and look forward to a full season of out-of-market NFL action. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Enjoy the games.